Imagine this. You once shared a deep, unshakable bond with someone. Time has passed. Life has changed. Maybe you're miles apart now. Or maybe they're no longer even in this world. And yet, in a quiet moment, you suddenly feel them. A memory stirs. A warmth floods your chest. You somehow know they're thinking of you too. What is that feeling? Is it just nostalgia? Or is it something deeper? Something science has yet to fully explain. In the physical world, everything is governed by time, distance, and measurable interactions. But love doesn't seem to follow those rules. It lingers long after words are spoken, long after bodies part. It shows up in dreams, in coincidences, in the way your heart races without warning. Some call it intuition, others call it fate. But what if it's more than that? What if love is a force, a real, energetic connection that somehow reaches beyond the limits of space and time? Today, we'll explore the fascinating intersection of love and quantum physics. And we'll ask a bold question: could the mystery of love actually be rooted in the same invisible laws that govern the universe? Stay with me, because the answers may change the way you see love forever. In the world of quantum physics, there is a phenomenon so strange, so counterintuitive, that even Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. It's called quantum entanglement. At its core, entanglement means two particles, once connected, remain linked. No matter how far apart they are, change the state of one, and the other responds instantly. Not after a few seconds, not even at the speed of light. Instantly. Distance doesn't matter. Time doesn't matter. It's as if there's still one system, no matter where they are in the universe. And now pause for a moment. Doesn't that sound a lot like love? Think about those moments when you just knew something had happened to someone you care deeply about. Before they told you, before you even saw them. A sudden sense of worry, a joyful surge out of nowhere. Some call it coincidence, others call it emotional sensitivity. But what if, at some deeper level, your hearts are entangled? Science has proven this entanglement in particles. But what about people? We are, after all, made of those same particles. Our atoms once born in the heart of stars, our cells vibrating with electromagnetic fields, our emotions pulsing through biochemical signals. Is it really so far-fetched to imagine that deep emotional bonds might also be governed by some form of entanglement? Some researchers even speculate that consciousness itself may be entangled. That minds, like particles, can become linked across space and time. So when you fall deeply in love, when your soul feels bound to another's, maybe it's not just poetry, maybe it's physics, and maybe love, like entanglement, is the universe's way of reminding us we are not alone. We were never truly separate to begin with. What if love isn't just a feeling, but a frequency? Our bodies are not just flesh and bone. They are living energy systems. Every heartbeat, every brainwave, every breath we take creates measurable electromagnetic fields. And the heart, astonishingly, is the most powerful generator of that field in the body, stronger than the brain by over 100 times. According to research by the HeartMath Institute, when we experience emotions like love, gratitude, and compassion, the heart enters a state called coherence, a harmonious rhythm that not only affects our biology, but can also influence others around us. Think about that. Your emotional state doesn't just stay inside you, it radiates outward. It touches people. It changes the atmosphere of a room. It connects. Now ask yourself, could this energy, this emotional coherence, be part of what we call love? Love soothes. Love heals. Love has been shown to boost the immune system, lower blood pressure, and even speed up recovery from illness. But beyond the body, love seems to do something else. It awakens a sense of unity, a deep remembrance that we are part of something larger. Some call this spiritual energy, others life force. But could it also be a form of quantum energy, subtle, invisible, yet incredibly real? If the universe is made of vibrating fields of probability, as quantum theory suggests, then perhaps love is one of those fields, an organizing force that aligns us with meaning, with connection, with life itself. And maybe, just maybe, when we love, we are tuning into the same frequency that holds galaxies together. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, everything is in motion. Stars are born and die. Time flows forward, or does it? Quantum physics challenges our very understanding of time and space. Particles can exist in multiple places at once. Events can appear to happen backward. And connections, like entanglement, can ignore the limits of distance. Now consider this. If the universe itself is non-local, where everything is subtly connected, could love be one of the threads that weaves it all together? When we speak of love at first sight, we're often describing something instant, unexplainable, beyond logic, a feeling of familiarity with someone we've never met, as if we've known them across lifetimes. Could that sudden recognition be more than chance? Could it be a quantum memory, an echo from another layer of existence, or even a meeting of entangled consciousnesses across dimensions? And what about the love that endures after death? The way we still feel someone's presence, the way their love continues to guide, comfort, or awaken us long after they're gone. This isn't just imagination. Many who experience deep loss report inexplicable signs, dreams, or inner voices that feel profoundly real. What if these are not mere psychological tricks, but evidence of love transcending the body, slipping between the veils of time? Perhaps love doesn't just survive beyond space and time. Perhaps it exists outside of them altogether. In a universe made of uncertainty and potential, love might be the one constant, the one force that holds us, remembers us, and calls us home. Now, as we stand at the crossroads of science and spirit, it's time to turn inward. The quantum mystery of love is not just out there, in the stars or particles. It's within you. Every heartbeat you feel, every emotion you embrace, carries this extraordinary energy. A love isn't just something you give or receive. It's a powerful current flowing through your very being. And just like entangled particles across the cosmos, you are connected, deeply, invisibly, to everyone and everything. Take a moment to feel this connection. Breathe deeply. Imagine your heart's electromagnetic field expanding, reaching out beyond your body, touching the world. In that space, you hold the power to heal, to inspire, and to transform. When you choose to open your heart, to embrace compassion and kindness, you're tuning into the universe's most profound frequency, the frequency of quantum love. This love can break down walls of fear and loneliness. It can bridge distances, whether miles or lifetimes apart. It reminds us that no matter how separate we feel, we are threads woven into the same cosmic fabric. So, how will you nurture your quantum love today? Will you reach out to someone in need? Will you listen with an open heart? Will you forgive, heal, and reconnect? Remember, the love you give ripples across space and time, shaping not only your life, but the entire universe. You are both a particle and a wave, both separate and inseparable. And in this dance of quantum connection, love is your guiding light. Thank you for joining me on this journey. May you carry the mystery and power of love with you, always. Until next time, keep your heart open and your spirit curious.